Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Ethereum from Ledger Nano X to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your ETH securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process has been updated for 2025 with enhanced security features, so let's dive in and make it simple for you. First things first, why do this? Transferring Ethereum from your Ledger Nano X, a top-tier hardware wallet, to Exmo, a popular exchange, lets you trade or sell your crypto hassle-free. But remember, always prioritize security to protect your assets. Before we start, ensure you have your Ledger Nano X set up, the Ethereum app installed on it, and an Exmo account ready with your wallet address handy. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ethereum app on the device. You'll see a confirmation on the screen. Double-check everything looks good. Step 2. Log into your Exmo account on your web browser. Navigate to the deposit section for Ethereum and copy your unique Exmo wallet address. This is crucial. Never share this with anyone. Step 3. Back on your Ledger, use a compatible wallet interface like Ledger Live to initiate the transfer. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, paste the Exmo wallet address, and review the transaction details carefully. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN for added security. Once sent, the transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on fees. 2025 updates mean lower gas fees, but always verify them beforehand. A quick tip. Double-check the wallet address to avoid costly mistakes, and never transfer on public Wi-Fi. If you run into issues, Exmo's support or Ledger's resources can help. There you have it. You've just transferred Ethereum from your Ledger Nano X to Exmo. This method keeps your funds safe while giving you flexibility. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.